Has your ganache ever looked like this? All oily and split? Just when you thought it was going to be perfect? Well, don't worry, I've been there too. Today I will show you how to fix split ganache in just a few steps. Let's quickly talk about why ganache split. The ganache split when the liquid and the fat separate, causing it look oily and grainy. This usually happens because the mixture was overheated. That's why in Delicate Cake Studio, we heat the cream in a pan then put it over the chocolate, instead of melting the chocolate directly. The key to fix the ganache is to rebalance that mixture. The trick is to add a small amount of milk, just about a tablespoon at a time. Stir gently, and you will notice it start coming together again. This is where the immersion blender comes in. Give it a quick blend and watch the ganache come back together, smooth and glossy. The immersion blender forces the fat and the liquid blend together, and that's how you save the split ganache. If you want to master the perfect ganache from the start, then make sure you check out my previous video on how to make silky ganache. No splitting, just that perfect and smooth ganache every time. Click here to watch it now, and don't forget to subscribe for more baking tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next one.